Hello, myself Nilima Gupta. Today I am going to discuss about the structure and function of nephron. Nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney. Each kidney is made up of about 1 million of nephron. Nephron has two parts, Malpighian body and renal tubule. Malpighian body has blind cup-shaped Bowman's capsule and a bunch of capillaries called glomerulus. This glomerulus developed by afferent arterioles and it gives rise to efferent arterioles. Now second part, that is renal tubule. Renal tubule has three parts. U-turn, that is called proximal convoluted tubule or PCT. U-shaped loop of Henle and distal convoluted tubule, it is also called DCT, and collecting duct. This collecting duct open into ureter. These are about the structure of nephron. All the part of renal tubule that is covered by a network of peritubular capillaries. This is the structure of nephron. Now next topic is mechanism of urine formation. During mechanism of urine formation, first of all, blood flows inside the renal tubules through afferent arterioles. Afferent arterioles, when blood flows or get inside, due to narrowness of efferent arterioles, blood get filtered into blind cup-shaped Bowman's capsule. Here, some amount of solutes like urea, uric acid, amino acid, hormones, glucose, ions, vitamins and water are filtered out and it passes to Bowman's capsule. And from Bowman's capsule, it passes or it moves, that is called nephric filtrate or primary urine. The volume of primary urine is about 180 milliliter per day, 180 liter per day. Now second part is reabsorption. Nephric filtrate is also called primary urine. It passes into proximal convoluted tubules. The component of nephric filtrate is glucose, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, sodium chloride and water is about 25%. Here it is absorbed into peritubular capillaries. Here first reabsorption takes place in PCT. Then this filtrate passes to the U-turn loop of Henle. Here some amount of water get absorbed. Then this filtrate moves to the DCT. Some amount, here tubular secretion occurs. Mostly tubular secretion occurs in DCT, distal convoluted tubules. A smaller amount of tubular secretion also takes place in PCT. And DCT ensure the removal of all the waste products from blood, that is urea, uric acid, creatinine, etc. and extra salts into urinary tubule to maintain a proper concentration. Now concentration of urine. 75% of water content of nephric filtrate it reabsorbed in the PCT. Some 10% of water into loop of Henle and further concentration takes place in the collecting duct where ADH or antidiuretic hormone is secreted. This ADH is also called vasopressin. The hormone secreted only when concentration of urine is to be passed out. It is not secreted when a lot of water is taken. Absence of this ADH produce a dilute urine. Deficiency of ADH causes excessive repeated dilute urination, that is called diabetes insipidus. These are about the mechanism of urine formation. So students, first selective reabsorption takes place in PCT some amount of water reabsorbed in U-shaped loop of Henle, and further reabsorption takes place in DCT. Here some amount of useful substance that is reabsorbed from DCT. Here concentration of urine also takes place in DCT, and DCT removes all the waste products. After that, this urine passes to collecting duct where ADH or hormones is secreted for concentration of urine. These are about the function of nephron.